Staying ahead in business means understanding the latest tax changes. In the 2023 to 2024 fiscal year, corporation tax rates have climbed to 25%, posing new challenges for business owners. But there are ways to navigate this. An essential strategy is maximizing reliable expenses. Claim everything from office supplies to travel costs, as these reduce your taxable profit. Another key approach is leveraging capital allowances. These allowances can be claimed on the purchase of assets used in your business, like machinery or vehicles, offering a substantial reduction in your tax bill. R&D investments are also crucial. The government's R&D tax credits support innovation, simultaneously advancing your business while providing tax relief. Remember, careful tax planning is vital for your business's success. For expert advice tailored to your unique situation, consider consulting GM professional accountants who specialize in helping businesses like yours. Stay informed, stay ahead.